Wow, in this video I'm going to share a unique crypto gem which will dominate the entire narrative and potentially draw billions to trillions of dollars into Web3. The future of real estate is here. Imagine if you could buy and sell properties without any middlemen like estate agents getting involved and charging ridiculous fees. Well, let me introduce you to the Propy platform, the ultimate Web3 marketplace for properties all around the world. Propy is tapping into the real estate industry, which is projected to reach an enormous $637 trillion of value in 2024 alone. In this video, I'm going to explain what Propy is, how it works, how to use it, and of course a rough price prediction for the Propy token, which could very well 50x and beyond by the time the bull market is in full force. Just to let you know guys, all the entries for the giveaway have been taken in and you cannot get involved anymore. Find out who the winner is in one of the videos this week, so stay tuned. But before we begin, welcome back again. I'm Theo, a content creator for the Alt Crypto Talk team. Remember, nothing in this video is financial advice, purely my own opinion and based on my own research. Do not invest in anything you can't afford to lose. Use a burner wallet if you feel more comfortable. And just to let you know that this is a sponsored video by Propy, and be sure to smash that like and subscribe button, leave a comment if you have any questions whatsoever, and be sure to follow us on Twitter at AltCryptoGems for daily crypto content, and check out our website for frequent guides, project reviews, articles, and everything crypto related. My friends, let's dive straight into the video. Now, my friends, we're officially on the Propy website, which is propy.com, and I'm going to leave all the official links that you need to know in the description below. We've got their X page Propy keys, which I'm going to leave linked as well. Give them a follow. I'm also going to leave the link to their dApp, but don't worry, we're going to go through everything in this video. So guys, in a nutshell, Propy allows you to buy and sell properties on chain. It allows you to mint your address onto the blockchain. It allows you to trade your real estate or even just store it on the blockchain. Now, the first ever property that was sold on the blockchain happened in 2017, which was 7 years ago now. This is an official page from Propy where they talk about the world's first real estate NFT, which was sold by TechCrunch founder Michael Arrington. The first NFT apartment was sold in Kyiv of Ukraine. As you can see down here, this was the apartment. The apartment, which was the first property sold to be using blockchain technology back in 2017, was owned by Michael Arrington, founder of TechCrunch and Arrington XRP Capital. Arrington decided to sell the apartment located in Kyiv, Ukraine, as an NFT to further showcase the power of blockchain technology to innovate the real estate industry. And today, here we are. Now you can see what Michael Arrington said about Propy. I'm very excited to have bought the first real estate NFT from Michael Arrington with Propy. My friends, this is the first platform to ever introduce real estate trading. And you might not believe it, but they're actually tied with the World Economic Forum, my friends. Now that is an enormous green flag and something that cannot be ignored. As you can see, Propy proudly stands as a World Economic Forum WEF technology pioneer. There's not many cryptocurrency platforms or protocols that are in the World Economic Forum, that's for sure. I know crypto.com are, that's for sure. Propy are in there, and to me this is absolutely insane. They're actually listed on Coinbase as well, which is another green flag. And this to me, guys, screams billions of dollars worth of value already just by seeing the World Economic Forum there. Now, in my opinion, Propy is definitely undervalued. Propy is on the way to bring 1 million address by 2025. And like I said, the real estate industry is projected to reach a $637 trillion value by 2024 alone, which is the year we're in now. So there's trillions of dollars worth of value and we can bring in trillions onto the blockchain. And if there's only going to be one protocol to do it, it's going to be Propy. So what does that mean? Big things. So before we get into all of that, let me explain how it all works as a buyer, as a seller, and even an agent. Buy and sell homes faster, easier, and more securely with the power of blockchain. So the future of real estate is now with Propy. Guys, I completely agree, especially the fact that they're partnered with the WEF. That is absolutely insane. Agents, buyers, and sellers all over the world love the simplicity and security of Propy. Propy has processed $4 billion in transactions from consumers and agents from Compass, EXP, the agency, Redfin, KW, Remax, Realty Austin, ACME, and others. So whether you're looking to buy or sell a home via bank transfers, you can find a tech-driven agent, make or accept offers, and pay down payment via the Propy online payment in dollars, and even close a transaction with our integrated tech-driven escrow and title company. Buy or sell a home using crypto. Find the crypto certified, whether that's the Propy token, ETH, USDC, or whatever it is. make or accept offers in crypto via Propy, pay via Propy crypto exchange in cryptocurrency, and close a transaction with a crypto-friendly escrow and title company on our platform. Next, you can buy or sell a home as an NFT, which will probably be the most popular choice. Experience the breakthrough couple-click home buying via real property NFTs. Propy has invented the world's first home NFTs. You can list a property as an NFT as well as on MLS. When you buy a property NFT, there's no need for 30 days closing. My friends, that's what I'm talking about. The future of trading properties is here. The multi-trillion-dollar market is on the Propy platform, which in my opinion is going to attract billions to trillions of dollars of value. Now, why don't we go and take a look at some of the properties available on the Propy protocol. So at the moment, guys, you can see some featured listings, which are really cool. You've got $18.75 million home here in Florida. You've got $16 million home in here in Florida. Another one for $480K in Florida. And at the moment, I don't know if you know this, but Florida is home to many NFT homes. So if you're looking for NFT homes in Florida, then you're probably going to find a few to choose from. You've got a few in Brooklyn, New York as well. And these are just the featured listings, like I said. However, there are so many other properties, thousands in fact, scattered all around the world, which I'm going to show you so you can see for yourself, because most of us don't want to buy in America. However, just so you know, Propy has actually got some partners that are from Silicon Valley, which is absolutely huge. I love the fact that Propy has got an enormous footprint in the US, because I think that market cannot go amiss. Now, as you can see, guys, we're on the Propy dApp, which is the official decentralized application for Propy, which allows us to buy, sell, and mint NFTs, which are obviously addresses. And these are all worldwide. There's thousands which have been listed from people all around the world, and it allows us to scan through them and find and obviously buy them if we want. Now, as you can see, guys, we've got thousands over in America. We've got hundreds down in South America, a few in Africa, a few in Australia, a few in Asia, thousands in Europe. So whether or not you're looking for a certain location, you can obviously find, or you can have some fun and just scan through some different properties around the world. So I'm just going to go and pick a random one. Let's just say Europe. Let's just go over to, I don't know, Greece. I love Greece. I'm from Greece, actually. I'm Greek myself. Obviously, I was born in the UK, but let's just say we take a look at Athens. We just go straight into the center, and we're going to choose this property. Now, let's take a little look. Stadial 5, Athens. We've got no pictures, but someone's minted this address. We can see the owner's address here. If we connect our wallet, for example, we can choose MetaMask. This has been reserved on March 16th, so that was a couple days ago. This was listed. If we go back, find another one, say this one. Someone's minted this address. Same thing again. It's not been verified, and it's not yet a real-world NFT. However, this was done a couple days ago as well. You can make an offer just like so, and you can choose the Propy token. So say I just did 100, I can create an offer, and so be it. However, I haven't obviously got 100 pro tokens, and that's not what I'm able to do. For now, my friends, let's just say you went back and you choose another property in Athens, for example. You can do the same thing. If you want to zoom out again, you just choose another country completely. That is entirely up to you. Let's just say we go over here, click the 40, click over here in Alicante. As you can see, we're now in Spain and we've got a property here. Guys, it's very simple. People are listing properties all around the world. Some of them might not have images of the address or the property itself, so you might have to go scanning through a little bit more. But in a nutshell, guys, there is so much to look through. If we go over to Florida, for example, you know how many properties you saw down here. So let's just say we choose this one. Again, you can choose it. It's been reserved, but it's not yet been verified or made into a real world NFT. But it just works like that, guys. You can just scan through it, have some fun, find different addresses, find different real estate. And if you find something that you want to buy, then why not go for it and get yourselves on the property ladder on the blockchain. So if you scroll down, guys, now you can see 3 tiers here. And you actually saw that when we clicked on any of the properties, you saw that they didn't actually verify their NFT, nor did they create it as a real world asset. However, you can create an on-chain token which symbolically represents the chosen address, which is what most of them had done in Athens, as you could see, which there were no images. All they had done was simply minted their address. Now, all it costs is 10 Pro to do that. And you can obviously sell that for more if you wanted to. And you can also upgrade to tier 2 and upload your very own deed to your property, which I know might sound risky. However, it connects it with a unique IP address and obviously associates it with your NFT. So it's up to you to secure your private keys in order to protect your NFTs, obviously. However, for the next step up, you can go to the real world asset and turn it into an NFT to potentially use it as on-chain collateral, but that will cost you 2,000 Pro tokens. I will go through the Pro token at the end of the video, don't you worry. And at the bottom, guys, you can also see some recently minted assets to see what people are doing. Most recent ones are in Luton. That's actually just an hour down the road from me. You've got Sheffield, which is actually a few hours down the road from me. And then you've got Switzerland and so many other ones. But in a nutshell, guys, this is exactly how it works if you want to find NFTs. Here are some real world asset NFTs that you can see as well. So let's just click this one, this condo in Tampa, Florida. If I connect my wallet, for example, I choose MetaMask once again, you can see here that it's been transferred from one wallet to another. So it has already been sold to someone else. This was minted in 2022 and has received 2 offers ever since. Now, I myself can actually make an offer. This is a condo with 1 bedroom and 1 bathroom and has a square foot of 748. If I want to buy this, I can make an offer, and if the guy accepts, fantastic. I've got myself a nice Propy NFT with official NFT ownership that I own this condo. However, I'm not going to be able to offer 100 Pro and basically get myself this NFT. Obviously, I'd have to put in a lot more. But in a nutshell, guys, you can go over to the platform, take a look through all of the NFTs, even go through some of the agents which have properties under their name. As you can see, we've got Meta Agent 805. If you go back to My Assets, obviously we've got no assets, but you would find all of your Propy tokens, you would find all of your addresses, everything under our assets section, obviously. If you go over to Stake, you can stake your Pro tokens, which is available on the Base network, which in my opinion is going to be one of the leading networks in the bull run and of the future. Obviously, they are listed on Coinbase, so this integration of network choice is absolutely superb, and in my opinion, I think this will do wonders for the Propy token just for it being on the Base network and being home to the Base network. Now, at the moment, there's actually not much Pro staked. However, there's 433, as you can see, with 433 staked properties. You can also bridge tokens, so if you wanted to bridge from Ethereum to Base or Base to Ethereum, you can do so. If not, guys, you've seen plenty of our airdrop tutorial videos, I'm assuming. We've just shown you how to bridge to the Base network, and you can avoid the Ethereum mainnet. I personally use Orbiter Finance, or for example, Jumper Exchange, or Alto Finance, all of which are third-party bridges which allow us to bridge over from layer 2 networks such as Arbitrum and so on. It will save you those hefty gas fees if you're going to bridge over to the Base network to start using Propy. That's just my opinion. However, in the asset browser, guys, you can see all of the properties within the Propy platform. Doesn't matter where it is in the map, everything will be on here. It'll be agents, properties, addresses, NFTs, you name it, all in the asset browser. Everything can be found. Very messy, obviously, because it's 645 pages worth of addresses and even landmarks, as you can see. So if you want to get yourself the Eiffel Tower, you can get this cool NFT version of the Eiffel Tower, which has not yet been verified, but someone has minted it. Now, I don't know exactly how that works and understand how you can mint yourself a landmark, but obviously it seems to be possible on the Propy platform. Now, in a nutshell, guys, that is exactly the Propy platform. You can buy, sell, or even become an agent on the Propy protocol, enabling you to buy and sell your properties, obviously. My friends, to me, this is the future of real estate. I've been saying it for years, no one believed me, but now my family and friends are going to see that I've actually made a video on Propy, which I've been talking about for years, but I had no idea that it existed until now. Me, personally, I'm going to be investing in Propy because I think that there's a lot of potential behind this token. I think there's a lot of potential behind the protocol. Obviously, one clear factor is because they are partnered with the World Economic Forum. They've got huge ties with Coinbase, one of the largest centralized exchanges. Property is something that will last forever, guys. We all know that. They're not making any more land, but the only place that they're going to start listing land is on the blockchain, somewhere where things are permanent, immutable, and forever. Now, my friends, we're officially on CoinMarketCap, where we're looking at the Propy token Pro, which is currently priced at $1 on the dot, with a market cap of $100.3 million. To me, guys, this is completely undervalued. I think this is going to be a minimum of a multi-billion-dollar project in the bull run. I've listed many reasons in this video as to why, but I'm going to list them again in a minute. All that we know, guys, is that 6 years ago, Propy reached an all-time high of $6.15 in 2018. I definitely believe it's going to exceed that all-time high once again. It reached $6.15 purely because of the innovation and technology behind it. Now, I can understand why it reached $6.15, and I can also understand why it dropped heavily in price. That's because the world wasn't ready for a digital real estate agency where people could buy and sell their houses all online. In my opinion, I think the world is finally ready for it. We're moving into a blockchain focused world where industries all over the world are starting to integrate blockchain technology and cryptocurrencies. This is a fact, and one of the largest industries that will ever do it is going to be the real estate industry, like I said multiple times in this video, which is worth $637 trillion. And imagine, guys, if Propy was just to take 0.01% of that valuation of $637 trillion, then Propy would reach a rough price point of $637. Now, that would be a valuation of $63.7 billion, which in my opinion is very, very possible, guys. 0.01% of $637 trillion is crazy, and that is only just taking up 0.01% of the entire real estate market. Now, that to me is very possible. I definitely believe we're heading into a blockchain focused world, especially now that Propy is in the World Economic Forum. I think there's going to be a big push for on-chain addresses where everything is immutable, like I said before. Now, if we go over to market cap of, in my opinion, guys, in the early stages of a bull run, I can see the Pro token hitting the market cap of Illuvium at $878 million, which would do an 8.69x and make Propy reach a price of $8.78. To me, this is very, 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 very possible in the early stages of a bull run. It might not happen in an instant or a flash, but over a few weeks or a month or so, I can definitely see Pro doing this kind of thing, especially if we see some huge announcements coming up. Now, as we start to peak in the bull run, guys, in this very bull run that is coming, I can see the Pro token doing a 20.34x and reaching the market cap of Floki, which is $2 billion, meaning Pro would reach a price of $20.54, give or take. Now, why I'm saying this, it's got 100 million tokens in circulating supply out of 100 million total supply. Therefore, every token is in circulation. As Propy becomes the #1 place to buy and sell homes, I definitely believe that more money is going to flow into it. And of course, even with the Base network that is going to be thriving in the bull run, in my personal opinion. Coinbase is one of the leading centralized exchanges. Just like Binance, Binance has an incredibly popular network, as we all know, the BNB chain, and Base, in my opinion, is going to be the next one. Now, to me, obviously, Propy is one of the leading tokens on the Base network, and I think it is going to thrive beyond belief, and hence why I believe it can reach the market cap of Floki. Now, in the very long-term future, guys, in my opinion, like I said, I really do believe that it can reach a market cap of around $50 to $60 billion in the late future, around 2030, guys, if I'm being completely honest. Obviously, nothing's financial advice, and this is not a conservative price prediction, but let's just say it did 0.0004% or 0.005% of the $637 trillion valuation, then Pro would reach the market cap of ADA, give or take, and reach a price point of $240. Now, guys, like I said, this is not conservative whatsoever, but I really do firmly believe in the industry of real estate. I really do believe that by being partnered and being integrated with the World Economic Forum, I think we can see incredible things. And obviously, by being listed on Coinbase and having huge ties with the network and obviously the Coinbase team, I think that the Pro token can go well beyond its previous all-time high of $6 and definitely reach above $20, which is my personal target. Now, like I said, in 2030, maybe we'll reach around $250 for the Pro token because everyone will be buying and selling properties on chain. I personally think that will be the case. I don't think anyone wants to pay thousands in fees anymore by using all of these middlemen that we do in the real world. So that is pretty much it for the Propy protocol, guys. Like I said, I'm going to leave all the official links to everything that you need to know. But my friends, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, leave a comment if you have any questions whatsoever. And we currently have a promotion running on Bybit, the best centralized exchange platform for buying, trading, and earning. Bybit is home to all your favorite cryptocurrencies, and you can claim up to $4,380 just by signing up using the link in the description below. It's simple. If you need help finding the right crypto gems, then follow us on Twitter at altcryptogems and head over to our website to get your hands on detailed project reviews, crypto guides, and more. Thank you very much for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful and informative. Until next time, DGens.